What if I told you the Philippines hides a trench so deep that Mount Everest would disappear inside it with nearly 2 kilometers of ocean to spare? This isn't science fiction, this is the Philippine Trench, a chasm in the Earth's crust that defies belief. Beneath the postcard-perfect beaches lies one of the most extreme geographies on Earth, impossible landscapes, geological paradoxes, and natural wonders. Today, we're diving into 25 geography facts about the Philippines that sound impossible, but every single one is real. Let's start at the very bottom. Off Mindanao's coast lies the Emden Deep, over 10,500 meters down, one of the planet's deepest points. Drop Mount Everest in, and you'd still have nearly 2 kilometers of water above its peak. The pressure is over 1,000 times what we feel at sea level. Only a handful of submersibles have ever reached it. This isn't just a deep part of the ocean, it's another world. Now, from the deepest trench to a hidden plateau, the Benham Rise. In 2012, the UN recognized this massive undersea region as part of the Philippines' continental shelf, adding a territory the size of Greece. The Philippine Rise is a hotspot of marine biodiversity and a new frontier for discovery and resources. It's a reminder that the country's boundaries extend far beyond what we see on the map. The Verde Island Passage is the global epicenter of marine life. Scientists call it the center of marine biodiversity. More species of coral and fish thrive here than almost anywhere else on Earth. The currents create an evolutionary soup, allowing this diversity to flourish. For divers and scientists, it's a living library and a critical conservation site. Imagine a river that seems to appear from nowhere. This is the Hinatuan Enchanted River in Mindanao. Its water emerges, fully formed, from a deep chasm, so clear and blue it seems magical. The river is the outflow of a vast, unexplored cave system. Its true depth remains a mystery. Every day at noon, caretakers feed the fish, adding to the river's mystical aura. Palawan is a geological outlier, a sliver of continental crust that broke away from Asia and collided with the Philippines. Its unique origin explains Palawan's distinct geology, flora, and fauna. The dramatic limestone karsts of El Nido and Coron are a direct result of this heritage. Palawan is a living example of plate tectonics in action. Camiguin Island holds a world record, more volcanoes per square kilometer than any other island. 7 volcanoes dominate its tiny landscape, including Mount Haibok, whose 1951 eruption was devastating. The island's hot springs, black sand beaches, and the sunken cemetery are all products of its volcanic past. Camiguin is a dramatic showcase of nature's power and renewal. The Pasig River in Manila sometimes reverses its flow. Water from Manila Bay pushes inland during high tide and storms. This tidal bore threatens Laguna de Bay's freshwater supply. Engineers built the Napandan hydraulic control structure to prevent saltwater intrusion. It's a fascinating solution to a truly bizarre natural phenomenon. In Sohoton Cove, Bucas Grande, you can swim among millions of stingless jellyfish in Tojoman Lagoon. Isolated from predators, these jellyfish lost their sting, creating a surreal, safe experience. Gently moving through them feels like swimming in a living lava lamp. It's a fragile ecosystem, a magical result of isolated evolution. The Philippine Fault System runs over 1,200 kilometers, a massive geological scar down the archipelago. This fault is responsible for the country's most destructive earthquakes, shaping valleys and mountains. Its movement is visible on the ground, a reminder that the land is always shifting. The fault is a powerful force, constantly reshaping the nation. Mapping the Philippines starts at the Luzon datum of 1911, marked on Mount Balanacan, Marinduque. This geodetic center was chosen for its central location and clear sightlines. Every official map and property line once referenced this single point. It's the hidden anchor that put the nation on the map. The Cordillera Rice Terraces in Ifugao are hand-carved into mountains, often called the eighth wonder of the world. Built over 2,000 years, these terraces create flat land for rice in rugged terrain. Ingenious irrigation channels water from rainforests above. Still farmed today, they're a living testament to human ingenuity and harmony with nature. The Philippines sits in Typhoon Alley. About 20 tropical cyclones enter its area each year. Super typhoons like Haiyan bring devastation, but also forge resilience and community spirit. Sophisticated warning systems and bayanihan, helping one another, define the response. Geography makes the country vulnerable, but its people are exceptionally strong. Metro Manila is built on a coastal floodplain and river delta, naturally low-lying and crisscrossed by waterways. Excessive groundwater extraction causes the land to sink, while rising sea levels worsen flooding. The city battles water with pumping stations, flood walls, and innovative urban planning. It's a constant struggle to adapt and survive on a precarious foundation. The Hundred Islands National Park in Pangasinan seems to play a magic trick with the tides. At low tide, 124 islands appear. At high tide, some vanish beneath the water. These ancient coral reefs were sculpted by erosion into mushroom-shaped islets. The park is a visible demonstration of the ocean's rhythm and geological wonder. The Sohoton River in Samar carved straight through a mountain, creating the Sohoton Natural Bridge. This massive stone archway connects two sides of a limestone ridge, a breathtaking natural tunnel. The area is full of caves, sinkholes, and underground rivers. It's a powerful example of water shaping even the hardest rock. Asik Falls in North Cotabato defies logic. No river feeds it. Water emerges from a rock wall cascading down a lush fern-covered cliff. The source is likely a subterranean river, filtered by rock into clean, cool water. It's a geological anomaly, a living curtain of water that challenges our understanding of waterfalls. The Cebu-Cordova Link Expressway is the country's longest and tallest bridge, 8.9 kilometers of engineering marvel. Its record will soon be broken by the 32-kilometer Bataan-Cavite Interlink Bridge. These mega-projects connect islands, overcoming deep water, seismic activity, and typhoon winds. They're reshaping the archipelago's geography and future. The San Juanico Strait between Samar and Leyte is famously narrow, just 2 kilometers at its tightest. Its strong currents and whirlpools made passage treacherous. The S-shaped San Juanico Bridge elegantly spans this maze of islets and channels. Crossing it offers stunning views of a unique, labyrinthine seascape. In Palawan, the Cabayugan River vanishes into a mountain, becoming the Puerto Princesa subterranean river. It's one of the world's longest navigable underground rivers, flowing 8.2 kilometers through spectacular caves. Boat tours reveal cathedral-sized chambers and dramatic rock formations. It's a journey into the hollow heart of a mountain. El Nido and Coron's towering limestone cliffs are ancient coral reefs, uplifted and eroded over millions of years. This karst landscape is riddled with lagoons, secret beaches, and sinkholes. The jagged rocks are sculpted by rainwater, creating dramatic seascapes. Here, the processes of the deep sea are on display high above the water. Mount Pinatubo's 1991 eruption was cataclysmic, one of the 20th century's largest. The eruption left a massive caldera, which filled with rainwater to become a stunning turquoise crater lake. What was once devastation is now a place of surreal beauty. It's a powerful reminder of the Earth's cycle of destruction and creation. Taal Volcano is a riddle, a volcano within a lake, on an island, within a lake, on an island. Its main crater once held a lake with its own tiny island, Vulcan Point. Taal is one of the world's most active and dangerous small volcanoes, set in a massive ancient caldera. Its picturesque setting belies its explosive potential. Taal is a geological nesting doll, beautiful, volatile, and iconic. Bohal's Chocolate Hills, over 1,200 nearly symmetrical conical hills, look like giant chocolate kisses in the dry season. They're made of uplifted limestone from ancient coral reefs, weathered into peculiar shapes by rain and erosion. Their uniformity is striking, making them seem almost man-made. It's a whimsical landscape, unique in the world. Mount Apo in Mindanao is the Philippines' highest peak, 2,154 meters above sea level. It's a sprawling stratovolcano with fumaroles and 3 peaks, home to the critically endangered Philippine eagle. Climbing Apo is a pilgrimage, passing through rainforests, mossy forests, and volcanic landscapes. The summit offers breathtaking views and a sanctuary of immense ecological importance. The Philippines' 7,641 islands give it one of the world's longest coastlines, over 36,000 kilometers. This endless fractal edge means infinite coastal variety and immense marine biodiversity. The coastline shapes the nation's fishing grounds, culture, and challenges. It's the single most defining feature of the country. From the Emden Deep to Mount Apo, the Philippines is a story of extremes, where nature's rules seem to bend. Rivers appear from nowhere, mountains rise from ancient reefs, and volcanoes nest inside lakes on islands. Every landscape is a magic trick the Earth pulled off. Which fact blew your mind? Drop a comment below. The surprises never stop in the Philippines. Click the next video for even more mind-blowing discoveries.